Hi Tahans, today we're gonna take the game to the next level. On this video, we're gonna show you how to connect your tafabot account to your crypto.com exchange. Excited, right? Let's do it. Step 1, open your web browser and head over to crypto.com website. If you already have an account, log in. If not, go ahead and create one. Step 2, once you're logged in, click on Account Management and then on API Management. Step 3, now on the upper navigation bar, click on API Keys and select Create New API Key. Step 4, give your API key a cool name like Tafa in the label box. Keep it memorable. Step 5, enter the authenticator code and voila, click on Create a API button. Step 6, your API key and secret key will appear on the screen. Make sure to copy these and save them securely. Step 7, now let's make things exciting. Check the read-only and enable trading options to proceed further. Step 8, for added security, you can update the IP access restrictions. You're allowed up to 5 IP addresses. Step 9, now open your tafabot app. Click on the menu and select Connect to an exchange. Step 10, choose crypto.com under the future or spot exchange options. Step 11, click on IP whitelist and instructions in the app and copy those cool looking blue numbers. Step 12, go back to the crypto.com website and select restricted to certain IPs. Step 13, paste those 5 copy IP addresses here, replace the spaces with comma and hit save. Step 14, we're almost there. Go back to your tafabot app and paste the secret keys and API key you copied earlier for crypto.com exchange. Now, step 14, the moment of truth. Click on enter and voila, your exchange is successfully connected. Congratulations! Now you're all set to your crypto trading to new heights with tafabot and crypto.com. Happy trading, Tafans!